Kenzie! What are you doing, baby? Say, eating pudding. Kenzie, I don't know if that's good, man. You were putting it on your hands. Look at her face. The culprit. Oh, don't touch Mommy's lens. Oh. What are you watching? Okay, this isn't going good. You're gonna want it, huh? What are you doing? Painting? You painted yourself. Hot pink.
You couldn't have picked a better color. Good color, Kenz.
Say bye.